Gen 3 is a commercial modulating zone control system controlling 2 to 20 independent zones per RTU or split system utilizing wireless programmable thermostats. Contractors snaking wires up and down the walls know the time, frustration, and cost associated with wiring systems with multiple thermostats is frustrating and tough.
There's gotta be a better way.
Let's take a schematic look at the Gen 3 VVT system. The system is composed of a system controller, outlined in black, and it's equipped with an LAT sensor to protect the equipment from freeze-up or overheating. Modulating zone dampers are framed in red. These are available in round, rectangular, slip-in, or modulating ceiling diffuser configurations. Bypass dampers, outlined in green, are equipped with an integrated static pressure control. Wireless thermostats, framed in blue, communicate wirelessly with its respective modulating zone damper. 2 to 20 zone dampers are powered with only one 40 VA transformer, highlighted in yellow. This eliminates the need to pull 24 volts of power over the ceiling tile and provide a transformer at every damper, as most other systems require. The Gen 3 technology requires less than 2 VA to power each modulating damper, so that only one 40 VA transformer is required to do this job. Along with the 24 volts from the single transformer, the installing contractor will need to pull a twisted pair communications loop, daisy-chained damper to damper with no home runs. This 24-volt system is not polarity sensitive, again simplifying the installation. Zonex installation makes this product unique, and we don't piggyback onto an already existing wireless network. No computers or routers or complex technologies are required. The Zonex Gen 3 operates with a wireless personal area network that does not interfere, step on, or conflict with the customer's current network or firewall in any way. Let's briefly review the system components and their installation. Dampers with communicating damper board are installed in the duct. Install the Gen 3 controller and LAT, or leaving air temperature control. Provide 24-volt power to all dampers and pull along with a twisted pair communications loop, daisy-chained damper to damper with no home runs. Install a modulating bypass with integrated static pressure control, then install wireless programmable thermostats. Here's a look at the thermostat. Each thermostat has a zone setup and systems configuration menu to review all system features. The zone setup menu is localized control for that specific thermostat, giving the contractor access to the zone setup features menu, where he can review and set up many functions, including synchronize the damper to the thermostat, calibrate the thermostat, set auxiliary heat, initiate an energy savings mode, set a system ID, set the stat ID, or establish a specific 7-day programmable schedule for that thermostat. Any thermostat in the system may be designated as the monitor thermostat, with access to the system configuration menu that provides a front-end hub to make control decisions for any one or all thermostats globally. The system configurations menu includes scheduling functions, the ability to remotely lock one or all thermostats, setting master temperatures from the hub for one or all stats in the system, along with a number of operating parameters to set up system operation through password protection, all from one convenient location. Everything the contractor needs, from setting schedules to initiating a system air balance, is right at his fingers at the monitor thermostat and reviewable at any other thermostat in the system. Each wireless thermostat is easily synced. Simply provide an ID for each stat, save the information, select Sync the damper and confirm the zone number, then press the sync button on the communicating damper board and await confirmation. That's it. The damper is synced. Next, identify which thermostat will be the monitor in the system, and the syncing process is similar, but this time you will sync the monitor stat to the Gen 3 controller. Press the sync button on the Gen 3 control board and await confirmation. The Gen 3 and monitor stat are synced. It's that easy. Again, 20 unique features are available to tailor the system to your specific application. One great feature, saving the contractor time, leads them to any wiring errors in the system in a matter of seconds. Simply select System Diagnostic from the System Configuration menu, and you'll receive a report of the number of dampers and thermostats in the system that are communicating and wired properly. This system indicates all three are wired properly. The System Diagnostic also provides other valuable information, such as the discharge and return air temperatures from the system, as well as outside air temperatures. From the monitor thermostat, you can schedule one or all thermostats may be globally set. Setting temperatures is easy. Just select Set to set or modify a heating or cooling set point, then use the up or down arrows to make the change. When we make a cool call on the stat, modifying the set point to 70 degrees, then that information is transmitted from the communicating damper board on the damper to the Gen 3 controller to initiate compressor operation. And the damper in that zone will start to modulate to the open position, while other dampers not calling will drive closed. When all zones are satisfied, dampers modulate to 40% open to provide a ventilation mode for each zone. Each thermostat can also support and control a supplemental heat source, like a radiant panel, baseboard heat, or hot water coil in a box. Each of these thermostats are powered with two AA batteries with an expected life of up to 2 years. The Gen 3 system with wireless thermostats is an innovative product built to simplify the contractor's installation, operation, and maintenance of the system. The product is exceedingly simple to install and operate, giving any contractor the opportunity to participate in the light commercial zoning and VVT market using wireless thermostats. We want to thank you for viewing our Gen 3 presentation that'll support 2 to 20 zones per RTU or split system using wireless thermostats to simplify and streamline the contractor's installation of these systems.
I've been doing it this way for years. Now I'm going to simplify and do it the Zonex way.